How are you all? I hope you all are enjoying your holidays. Nah? Okay, now it's over. Now your holidays are over and we are going to start with our subjects. So today's our class is for English. Students, can you tell me कि हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा था in the month of April and May? What we have studied? Capital letter ABCD, small letter ABCD, and the first group of phonic sound, that is SATPIN, SATPIN. All you know? अच्छा, आप सबको ये याद है? सबने कर लिया है? होमवर्क फिनिश कर लिया है? हॉलीडे होमवर्क? Okay. Now today we are going to revise all this thing in short way. तो सबसे पहले मैं आपको first group of phonic sound बताऊंगी. What is that phonic sound? First group, that is S. What is the sound of S? S. S. Then A. What is the sound of A? A. 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 Then what is this? T. And what is the sound of T? T. 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 Then what is this? This is P. And what is the sound of P? And what is this? I. And what is the sound of I? Eh. Eh. And what is the sound of N? What is the sound of N? So, this is the first sound of phonics. First group of phonics. Now, students, we are going to revise capital and small letter ABCD at a time. Okay? And I am going to tell you all the sounds also, so that you can able to make words and pronounce it properly. So, start. What is this? A. Capital letter A, small letter A. And what is the sound of A? Ah, ah. What is this? This is B. And what is the sound of B? This is C. Capital letter C and small letter C. And what is the sound of letter C? D. Capital letter D and small letter D. And what is the sound of letter D? D. 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 E. Capital letter E and small letter E. And what is the sound of letter E? Eh. 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 F. Capital letter F and small letter F. And what is the sound of letter F? Sorry. P. G. G. Capital letter G and small letter G. And what is the sound of letter G? G. 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 H. Capital letter H and small letter H. And what is the sound of letter H? H. H. I. I. What is the sound of letter I? Eh. Eh. Letter J. Letter J. And what is the sound of letter J? J. 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 Then next. Letter K. Letter K. Small letter K and capital letter K. And what is the sound of letter K? small letter L, and the sound of letter L is L, L, L. M, M, capital letter M and small letter m. And what is the sound of letter M? M, M, M. N, capital letter N and small letter n. And what is the sound of letter N? O, O, sound of letter O is O, O. P, P, capital letter P and small letter p, and the sound of letter P is P, P, P. Q, capital letter Q and small letter q, and sound of letter Q is Q, Q, Q. R, the sound of letter R is R, R, R. S, sound of letter S is S. Do you know? S. T, capital letter T, small letter t, and the sound of letter T is T, T, T. U, capital letter U, small letter u, and sound of letter U is A. V, V, sound of letter V is V. W, W, small letter W and capital letter W, and sound of W is V. X, capital letter X and small letter x, and the sound of letter X is X, X, X. Y, sound of letter Y is Y. And Z, Z, the sound of letter Z is Z. Okay students, have you got it? Now these are all the letters, capital and small. We are having all this already, we have already done it in previous periods. Today we are taking just a revision. You all know how to write it and how to pronounce it. Now students, I am going to tell you a small new concept, that is vowels and consonants. Students, you know that we have 26 alphabet in English. How many alphabets we have? 26. In which 5 alphabets are called vowels and remaining 21 are called consonants. So, which 5 alphabets are called vowels? That is A. A is a vowel. A, E, I, O and U. A, E, I, O, U. These 5 are called vowels and rest of the alphabets are called consonants. How many are vowels? 5 vowels and 21 consonants. So, this is our concept, that is called vowels and consonant. 5 vowels we have and 21 consonants we have. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. So, for today it's over. In our next period we are going to learn about these vowels and consonants. Okay students, bye bye for today.